My Facebook friends are taking me on a guided music tour. I've asked them to request songs they assume I haven't heard, and I will record a live listen and reaction for YouTube. And for 90% of the requests, they are artists and songs I've never heard and never really been aware of. Our latest entry comes from my Facebook friend, Rob. He has recommended the act Man's Gin and the song Smiling Dog. So let's take a listen to this.
Dripping flies thought of smiling, and all the while my chest was pounding, eating the books and the words of old men, gleaning thoughts from trapped people below, and running across their faces and disgracing their kin and kind. The sky's dripping from my hands when the burden upon me lands. I smite in the eyes, blinded land, and all the wanderers following, the followers wandering behind, followers wondering why. Yeah, I smite in the eye of the thought-vacant sky, and I'm blinded in my own lonely land.
Not a criticism, but high praise. For a moment there, I thought maybe I was hearing Eddie Vedder singing with Lane Staley. Again, not a criticism. That's high praise. I just love the grit, the earthiness, the implying weightiness. Yeah, the crown weighs heavy type stuff. Am I hearing bowed double bass? I was wondering about that. Just when I was trying to hear it a little bit better, the drums kicked in. But this is very interesting.
Gasping for air, grasping gray hair that fell out long ago beneath the one you love most, clogging mind drains and choking what flows.
I heard words. I didn't pick up every word. The lyrics are a little lost on me. I didn't quite pick up the tale that was being told, or the images that were being suggested. Um, so I don't know. I don't quite know the story, but it was still quite effective. Again, just kind of the almost a punishing lope of sorrow, to try to be somewhat lyrical about it. This is fantastic. I don't know. I don't quite know what genre this falls under, so I'm interested there. Also, I appreciate the fact that none of the instrumentation sounded tremendously affected. In other words, I think it sounded like all the instruments were kind of recorded as they are, with no heavy effects or any stylization or anything like that, and that's refreshing to hear in this day and age. Rob, as usual, good stuff, and I'd like to know more about this particular act, the history of the members and the players here. I have no idea when this was recorded, but I mean, my God, it could be 30 years old, it could be 30 days old. Kind of a timeless sound, and a timeless impact, and a timeless mood. Rob, thanks for that suggestion. That was a really cool request.